Hello guys, it's me again. Welcome back to all. Kagayad ng trabaho ngayon. Iba na yung schedule ko. So ngayon ay alas 12:30 na ng gabi. Pero kailangan mag-workout kasi challenge. So challenge is challenge. Commitment yun. Pag sinabi mong commitment, commit mo sa sarili mo na kailangan mong gawin kasi nakakommit ka. And so nabago na yung schedule ko. So ayan, ang lamig na yun, sobra. Kaya meron akong yung sando ko ginawa ko yung scarf kasi yung scarf ko sinampay ko hindi man natuyo. Nilaban ko hindi ko sinampay tuloy hindi natuyo. Ang galing po. Kaya lamig. So ayan, so challenge is challenge. Workout ko ngayon shoulder. Pinakapaborito ko namang workout shoulder kasi gusto yung maganda shoulder. Ayan, syempre sa mga nasa premiere natin ngayon, shout out ulit sa inyo. At di ba? Walang katao doon, you know, it's so sad. Para Andre lang Ayan, so sige yan, shout out ulit sa inyo sa mga nauna. First si ba to? Ano ba? Sige, Babe Alexis Storm, ayan. Tapos si to alter ego, ayan. Tsaka syempre yung mga team creators sila Ismi Angel, si Donna May, yan, napunta na rin pala. Pero nakakami sila Rika Rix at tsaka si nakakami si Rika Rix at tsaka si Aaron G, yan. Yung mga tropa natin dyan. Tapos wala ka tao doon, and it's so sad. Ayan, syempre Jassy Baby si Ana Suy, nakaabang din niya agad. Nakaabang din agad yan. Si Banet, ba't dinapon si Banet, ha? Yeah. Siyempre yung mga tropong backs natin dyan. Adriel Pascual, Yansoy, Jose Tiatak Jr. napunta na rin siya. Si Mama ko at sino pa ba? Si Truly Asia Diaries, yan. Saan napunta rin sila KG at saka sino ba to? Si Darren's Diary. Punta naman kayo, no? Bakit naman? Di tayo, medyo madilim, no? Sige, shoutout na habang naglalakad ng tahimik sa labas sa disyertong malamig. Ayan, bahala ka dyan. Bumusina ka ang gusto mo bumusina. That's all. Sino ba? Ang mga nandiyan, si Colette, yan. Kabindi nga. Si Jenny Babe, si Joy, si Ransif. Minsan hindi sila nagka-comment, pero alam ko natin na nakasupport lagi din sa atin yan. Woo! Lamig. Depende sa pag-ano ko. Si One Star Davao Bay, makapunta rin yan. Siyempre yung mga tol natin dyan, Big Five. Tol brother, daan ka naman paminsan-minsan, baka nandiyan ka. Shoutout sa'yo. Sige lang, 3 minutes sino pa ba ang hinihintay natin dito? Naiinip na ako. Sige lang, may ano dyan. Shout out. Teka, Team Guardian Angels nga pala. Of course, man. Tol J sila ba kayo, ha? Love Joyce, yan, nandiyan yan. At si Bibi Love yan. Hindi naman tinapon siya. Tapos si Anon Tensi, Tol. Anon Tensi, Tol. Of course, Maria Mitch, Beb. Yan. Lamig. Bigli sensus dito ay 8. Feels like 3. Parang feels like heaven. Ayan. Shout out sa disyerto. At maganda yung buwan sa dilaw na orange na buwan. At saka si buwan na cheetah, baka napadaan ka dyan. Sino pa ba? Si Maricel, na kabatid natin dyan na nasa Japan. Ayan, shout out kay Sir Kakashi. Pakita ko sa inyo, kung ano yung tsura ng pagkagabi. Parang parang nasa Makati ka lang din. Safe naman. So yan, diretso lang yun. Yan, so ito na yung gym. Maglakad na lang. Shout out Kuwait. Ayan dyan sa problema. Sabi, akala ko alas 2 sarado. Pala una. So ilan na lang? Tawag doon. 10 minutes na lang. May inisip naman ako. So again, kung mag-giant ko na lang. Armam. Didiretso na natin to. Mas pala ata ako. Isa mo eh.
Girl, you got me shook from the way your body looks. Got me riding hoes, got me feeling like a rook. Do it by the book, but for you, take a look. Don't know what your mama took. Spicy like a cook, yeah. I'll keep it real, let's make a deal. Buy you a meal if you just let me feel. Get out your heels, grab on the wheel. Back to my place at the top of the hill. Don't have regrets, I know what's next. She need a fresh, I'll be back in a sec. Look at them legs, don't make me beg. Back to the thing, let me show you my bed. Yeah, your body feels like taking on a drug. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Everything you do, I can't seem to get enough. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Touching on your body feels like taking on a drug. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Everything you do, I can't seem to get enough. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. I could look at you all day, watch the way your hips sway. Love your body, so I pray. Don't you dare take it away. Can't control what I say. Lost my mind, cause your frame. Hey girl, what's your name? Lit me up just like a flame. Body in motion, I feel the commotion. Beyond you like lotion, I'm honest and broken. I flow like the ocean, I feel you were chosen. To fix me, I'm broken, my heart was just stolen. Hey, stay with me, play with me, lay with me. Hate to see when you leave chemistry. Feels like it's destiny. I just want you laying next to me, and I really don't want you to test me. Your body feels like taking on a drug. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Everything you do, I can't seem to get enough. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Touching on your body feels like taking on a drug. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Everything you do, I can't seem to get enough. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb.
Kagandaan ng previous possibility yung bicep. Yung bicep na bicep. Ito para sa posterior.
Yeah, my hands steady, I feel ready, but my legs heavy, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises, you ain't stopping this. Cross my shit, you'll be knocked unconscious, bitch. That's the consequence, I got this, I will not quit. And I'm on it, honest, I'm gonna launch quick, then I'm gone. It's just a matter of time before I'm over the climb and moving under my prime. Just quit my 9 to 5, I'm rocking, and they watching, cause it's shocking. Dropping all these top 10 songs for stopping. It's time to live my life, it's time to live my die. Wish I could slow down time and just enjoy the climb. Let's go! I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I'll make mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud when I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will begin. These ladies know that I'm singing, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the night, and there ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, living life, that's the thing. Every night, got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, here on screen. Okay, it's a dream, and I play as a team. One day, it'll be me. If I want it, then I'll get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today. For a minute, I don't stay. I just visit, I no shame. I admit it. I can find me to see if I succeed. To see if I they're looking up to me. They want the best of me now. Best of me now. Best of me now. Best of me. They want the best of me now. Best of me now. Best of me now. Best of me. losing. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, my mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion. There is no potion, you're not just chosen. It takes devotion to stay composed, man. Never stop, there ain't no time to fall. Try to live, get it up, you got one life to ball. Thinking big, never small, cause you gotta want it all. When you finally get that call, you get ready, take it on. Need a hand out, I already stand out. Starting to advance now, ready to expand now. You don't have a chance now, cause we're in demand now. Make it by the grand now, feeling in command now. They're looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me.
Tapos ang peaceful. Kasi they want the best. Squeeze. Okay na. Diba? Thank you guys for watching. See ya in the next one. Lamig. Ayan guys, pauwi na ako. So, talagang 10 minutes lang talaga sagad na workout, no? 10 minutes. Pwede pala. At least napump ko ng maayos. Napump ko pa rin ng maayos yung aking shoulder. Pump na pump talaga siya ang ano. Ayan, ang tigas, oh. Ayos na pala, kaya naman pala. Ibig sabihin, maganda pa rin talaga yung ano, yung ARNOLD press. Yung ARNOLD press, yung unang-una yung gano'n. Pati, parang buong ano, buong upper body talaga, lalo yung ano, yung chest ko, para yung upper chest ko, parang na secondary workout yon. Pero talaga ano yun, buong-buo yung shoulder. Tapos pagka hinalo mo ng ano, ng volume, tinaasan ko yung ano, timbang ng aking workout talaga. So yun, sulit pa rin. Not bad. Pero agaw ko na next time kasi kanina lakad sexy pa eh. Lakad pogi. Bukas sige. Bukas bilisan ko na yung lakad talaga. Kasi kahit 30 minutes sa workout, kaya na yun. Kaya lang, bitin pa rin 30 minutes. At least, pero kaya yan. Mahaba din itong video to. Thank you guys for watching. Okay, bye. Ang lamig. Shout out silang next time ulit, shout out. Ha guys, see you tomorrow.